Evolutions Rail Contemporary, TimberTech's sleek, modern, continuous top rail style railing system. Evolutions Rail Contemporary's versatile design allows for 3 infill options with a template laser etched onto the universal rail. It is available in a dark, rich color palette of classic black, brick, and traditional walnut. These color choices can be mixed and matched to provide a customized railing system that will accent the beauty of any TimberTech deck. Evolutions Rail Contemporary is sold in 6-foot and 8-foot rail packs and can accommodate straight and stair applications. Rail packs include 2 universal rails, hardware kit, top rail screws, and foot blocks. Balusters are sold in baluster packs for 36-inch and 42-inch heights and 6-foot and 8-foot lengths. Baluster screws are included in the baluster packs. Top rail is sold in 16-foot lengths. Post covers and post skirts are sold separately. Color-matching end coatings are also available. And be sure to consider deck lights LED before installing railing. View the deck lights LED video for more details. Be sure to consult local building codes prior to installation. Determine your baluster layout. Using the square markings on the underside of the universal rails, determine whether there will be a baluster or a space in the center of the rail. Pre-drill with a 3/16" drill bit at each square marking at the center of the rail. Once the baluster location is decided, measure the distance between the posts for the universal rails. Mark the center location on both universal rails. Cut both universal rails to length using a fine-tooth blade. Install foot blocks to the bottom universal rail. 2 foot blocks are required for a section up to 6 feet and 3 for a section up to 8 feet. To prepare foot blocks, bore a 1/2-inch hole 2 1/2 inches deep, then follow with a 3/16" hole through the entire block. Pre-drill the underside of the bottom universal rail with a 9/64" drill bit. Attach foot blocks with number 10 by 2-inch screws. Next, attach one bracket to each end of the universal rails using number 10 by 7/8" screws. With 2 1/2-inch composite screws, attach the balusters to the universal rails. Temporarily install railing with balusters between the post covers. Mark the height for the post covers. Post covers should be flush with the top universal rail. Cut your post covers and posts to the desired length. Place the post covers over the 4x4-inch posts. 4x4-inch posts must be plumb and be no more than 8 feet from center to center of post. Evolutions Rail Contemporary also works with TimberTech's Secure Mount Post. Install skirts by sliding them over the post covers. Now, center the rail assembly to posts. Pre-drill 9/64" pilot holes through the post cover and into the post through the holes in the brackets. Secure the assembly to posts with number 10 by 2-inch screws. Screws are designed to go in at a slight angle. Finish off the railing system by installing the top rail. Cut the top rail to length. Make sure all seams fall at the center of the post. Pre-drill top universal rail with a 3/16" drill bit every 2 feet. Pre-drill and secure the top rail to the 4x4-inch post using 2 number 8 by 2 1/2-inch screws. Position screws 3/4 inch from the end of the top rail. Pre-drill through existing holes in the universal rail into the top rail with a 9/64" drill bit. Secure top rail to the universal rail with number 10 by 1 1/2-inch screws. Use optional end coating on exposed top rail ends.